Hey, it's a great day outside, and so I'm gonna try to do my paint pours outside, but the leaves are falling and it might fall into the painting, but I guess we'll have to troubleshoot that. Alright, we'll see how it goes.
I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile. I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
Tell me, mother, did you miss me when I broke free? When I grabbed a bus to anywhere just to be elsewhere. I long to belong. Hitched a ride into the sunset, felt like Juliet. On my way to meet my lover, a dream
Hi. I just wanted to show you how that beautiful painting came out that you just saw. Okay, let's see if I can get it in here. And this is it. It is hilarious. It came out cool. Too bad it bent all up. But it's definitely, if you could learn from my mistake, is do not use a, single panel canvas like this. It was just a cheaper one. Actually, it's really good if you want to try out samples or new techniques, but if you want to actually keep it and hang it on the wall, this definitely won't work for that. Because, yeah, that's not really good. I don't even know if you could really, like, bend it out, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just put it up sideways and put it on something. But anyway, just had to show you. I wanted to show you how the painting looked when it dried that you just saw. And it's so funny, but it's not, because definitely don't use this thin canvas stuff for pours, because look at that thing. I might set it up on its side and maybe use it for a background behind some picture or something, but it actually did dry. Cool. It's just so funny. It's just so funny that it's like that. But yeah, it wouldn't be like a really good gift to give to somebody. It's so funny. But I kind of wish I made it as a skin, because I'm going to be doing a video on skins, and this would have made a great one. Ugh.